In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check trash in Google Keep. If you've deleted a note and want to find it again, Google Keep makes that pretty simple. The trash section is where deleted notes are temporarily stored. So this is the place to check if something seems to have disappeared. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to look for once you're there. To get started, go to your Google Keep dashboard. You can do this by opening Google Keep in your web browser and signing into the Google account where your notes are stored if you aren't already signed in. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see your main notes area in the center, along with a navigation menu on the left-hand side. This is the main control area for moving between different sections of Keep, like notes, reminders, archive, and trash. Take a moment to make sure you're on the main Google Keep screen before moving on. If the page is fully loaded, your saved notes should be visible, or at least the layout of the app should be clear. This helps confirm that you're in the right place and ready to access the note management options. Next, look at the left-hand column and click on the bin icon. In Google Keep, this icon opens the trash section. As soon as you click it, the main area of the screen will update to show notes that have been deleted. These are notes that haven't been permanently removed yet, so this section is useful if you need to review something you deleted recently. Once you're in trash, you can scroll through the deleted notes to find the one you're looking for. This is especially helpful if you accidentally removed a note and want to confirm whether it's still recoverable. Keep in mind that trash is different from archive. Archived notes are hidden from your main view, but still active, while trashed notes are marked for deletion and kept here temporarily. A helpful tip is to check the titles, labels, colors, or note content if you have several deleted notes and need to identify the right one quickly. That can save time when searching through the list, and that's all it takes to check trash in Google Keep. Once you know where the bin icon is, it becomes very easy to review deleted notes whenever needed.